Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look really crazy with wet hair, no makeup, but that's because I want to give you my thoughts on the Revlon one-step hair dryer. So if you want to see how this product works and my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, we're going to be testing this out. I have tried this probably about 5 times now. Something like that. So I have a good review on what I think. This is, I'm pulling it up, Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer hot air brush. I got it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. I'm honestly gonna try to make it an affiliate link because that would be great if I could start making some money. But I'm also pretty challenged at that, so I don't know if it'll be. In the description box, I'll put if it is affiliated or not, because at this point I don't know if I'm gonna be able to figure it out. But I did get it off of Amazon. It's $49.99 on their website. And yeah, I think that's all it says about it. So basically, it's a brush that's a hair dryer. And at the bottom here, it has, let me see if I can show you, off, cool, low, and high. And honestly, I've tried to use the cool and I don't notice it being cooling. Okay, it's cooling, but I don't notice it after I've been using the hot. I don't notice it feel cool. That's just so far, I haven't noticed that. I know you're not going to want to hear the sound of this as I blow dry my hair, so I'm going to fast forward through that part, so hopefully it's not too loud. I'll turn the volume down in editing. But that way you can at least see how to use this, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it at the end. I do really quickly want to mention that I am not good at blow drying my hair, even with a normal hair dryer. So even though this says you can use it to volumize, I'm not good at that. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair so it's dry. And that's how I use this. I did want to mention I did use this Briogeo Blowout Dry Protection and Heat Protectant Cream. I got this in a BoxyCharm a long time ago. So I did use this first, so my hair is protected. Okay, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video, which actually no I'm not because I won't be able to hear. I'm gonna go ahead and start using this, and you literally just comb your hair. I'm gonna speed through this, like I said, so you don't have to hear how loud this is. Okay, so my hair is blow dried. I have not styled it because this video is not about me styling my hair. It's about blow drying. So, what time is it now? I have been doing this for about 30 minutes and it's still not fully dry. Obviously I have a lot of hair, so this does take quite a bit of time. I don't know. I have a love-hate relationship with this thing. I love it because it is convenient. You're literally just brushing your hair. You do have to brush it very slow. Like, since I had that sped up, let me just show you. I won't turn it on for the volume, but you literally have to kind of go like this. So you do have to go pretty slow for this. That's what I found, because the first time I just brushed my hair like normal-ish, and it took forever. So you definitely have to go slow with this. The thing that I have the problem with, and my hair looks completely dry, and pretty much all aspect of it is dry, but the roots. And I can't have my hair down, it drives me insane. That's my biggest problem. I also, you see I do my front pieces weird because I wear my hair up pretty much every day, so I have a lot of breakage in the front, so I had to do that weird so they didn't go everywhere. But anyways, my roots are pretty dry, wet, I mean. Some of them are dry, but they're still damp in a lot of spots. And like this side especially, because I have more hair on this side. Like you can just run your fingers through it and it's still slightly damp, even though it took me 30 minutes. And my hair does take long to dry normally, but still, like, the roots are the hardest, at least for me. I haven't heard anyone ever really talk about it, but every single time it drives me insane. Like, I sit there like this for a while even, because I know if I don't, my roots are still soaking. So I have a love-hate relationship with this thing. I honestly prefer using it though. Even though I have more difficulty with my roots, I prefer using it because instead of going like this, you know, with a brush and the blow dryer, it's just so much more convenient to just be able to brush your hair. You also are supposed to be able to do volumizing with this, but I'm just horrible at doing my hair in general, so I don't even try. Yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about it. It gets the job done. Obviously, I could spend more time on this and get it dry fully and not just mostly dry, but I'm too lazy for that. Like, I mean, I don't even wear my hair down most of the time. I don't know. I think, in all honesty, I would recommend this purely for the convenience of it. Also, if you had to travel, not that people are traveling right now, but if you had to travel, this is a lot more compact than something that comes, you know, up and then out. I feel like I could fit it better in traveling. Yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say to it. It's a blow dryer. It works. It would take longer for me just for the root portion. But honestly, I would take the difficulty of the root just because of the convenience of just being able to brush your hair. That is one thing I like about it, is it's just so convenient, and that's literally the whole reason I like it, and the whole reason I recommend it is purely just for convenience. So yeah, this is a really short video, but I don't know what else to say about a blow dryer. It dries your hair. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.